to the channel. If you've ever run into issues with QuickBooks and struggled to reach a real human for help, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to chat with QuickBooks Support. The easiest and fastest way possible. No more endless clicking or automated loops. By the end of this video, you'll know how to reach a live agent in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open any web browser on your computer and go to the official QuickBooks website. Once you're there, look at the top right corner and click on Sign In. Now, carefully log into your QuickBooks account using your email and password. Make sure there are no typos or capitalization mistakes. Otherwise, you might get a login error. After signing in successfully, locate the Help option. It's usually at the top right corner of your screen, and click on it. Inside the Help section, you'll see a search bar. Type this exactly: I need to connect to a live person. This phrase tells QuickBooks' support system that you're looking for live assistance, not just automated replies. Next, you'll see an option that says Contact Support. Click on that. When a list of automated suggestions appears, scroll down and select No, I still need help. This is the trick that bypasses the chatbot and connects you to an actual QuickBooks representative, saving you time and frustration. Now, you'll be given a choice between two contact methods, either live chat or phone call. Pick the one that suits you best. Keep in mind that availability may vary depending on your region and support hours. And that's it. You're now connected to a live QuickBooks support agent who can help you solve your issue right away. So that's how you can easily chat with QuickBooks Support, quick, simple, and stress-free. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more useful tech and troubleshooting tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.